to you. We are at this Love's Travel stop here off of I-35, around 122nd Street. When you talk travels, I mean, we've seen a few people, I would say. There's been some pull in here, and we saw some on our way over. Saw some snow plows as well. Really, it's kind of crazy whenever it comes to the roads being snow-packed. You heard Mark Dillard just a little bit ago talk about that on the side streets. Whenever we headed over here, I'd say probably all the way from I-235 Broadway extension all the way here east to I-35. The Britton Road is completely snow-packed. It's covered, so you're going to want to be careful. Honestly, I would recommend not getting out at all if you don't have to, but as Dillard said, it's passable for the most part. Excuse me. Whenever you look at I-35, you can actually see that there are some people out and about. You see some cars traveling. Again, I saw some snowplows on the way in on I-40 going westbound. Saw some on I-44 as well. Usually anywhere you look on the highway, they do consider it slick and hazardous, by the way, so you will want to be careful if you are out there. But usually they have about a lane, maybe two, that appear to be uncovered, but still, just because it's uncovered doesn't mean it's just completely go any speed you want, as most of you out there know. Now, when it comes to this parking lot here in Love's, I could use this ruler. I used it just a moment ago looking at an area of just some undisturbed snow. There was about 3 inches the last time I did that. So going down here this time in this little particular spot, I'd say a little over 2 inches right here, but over by our car, just next to us here, I saw about 3. So anywhere between 2-3 inches or so in this parking lot. Again, seen some travelers, but not very many. I actually saw a snowplow over here. It looked like a contracted snowplow. I talked to him just a little bit ago. He just pulled out roughly 10 to 15 minutes ago or so. But you're definitely going to want to be safe. Definitely a lot going on. Looking over here, there's an American flag next to the highway blowing that wind out of the north. You see some of this snow probably just going across your screen right here. Definitely cold. Starting to feel it in my fingers too, so these gloves are really fighting for their life for the most part. But don't go out if you don't have to. Definitely be safe if you do. For now, we'll send it back to you.